Morning everybody, my name is Derek Quinn. I am the site manager here at BVT Truck and Trailer in Blumenort on the Steve's Livestock Yard. I have been in the industry since the late 1980s, and today I'm happy to talk to you about a new project that we're starting here at the shop in Blumenort. Book of business now gone. These trailers would normally be tagged for sale. They're not being utilized. They're very difficult to use up in this market. We've recently found a way to breathe new life into these trailers, and today I'm going to walk you through what that's going to look like. So as I said, this is a 2015 trailer. It's a conversion trailer, and so the kit inside is currently set up. But as if we were to haul freight down south, the driver would load it full of animals, make his way down to his customer and deliver. And then the trailer would go to the wash bay where it would be washed, disinfected, disassembled. The kit would go into these large boxes you see here, and then we would take it and load it with fresh freight and bring it up to Canada. What we'll be doing over the next number of weeks is we'll be taking all of this kit out of the trailer and transforming it into an actual livestock trailer with a full permanent floor, new doghouse, new ramp, and new life, essentially. So we'll just show you that real quick. So in the process, the kit will be removed. The boxes will all come off to save weight, with only the front little box remaining and a little bit of this big box here for fresh bedding and other items. So we'll just keep walking this way into the back. And this is where the bulk of the project will start to take shape. So once the trailer's in the shop, these big doors will be removed, and the kit inside that you see here currently will also be removed. So all of this stuff will come out. All these gates you see will be removed. There's another set of gates up top. This will all come out. And then over the next number of weeks, I'll be sharing update videos so you can see our progress. We'll put in an entire new rear section with a roll-up door. And then just inside here, you'll see a new doghouse take shape, as well as a new ramp. And like I said before, a permanent floor. Once we're done that, this trailer will become a new useful livestock trailer. And I'm happy to share our progress as we progress.